Welcome to another Did You Know feature, and for our space lovers, this one should interest you. Did you know NASA engineers use origami to design foldable satellites, robots, and solar panels for space? Pretty amazing, right? The same paper folding techniques you learned as a kid are shaping the future of space exploration. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore how NASA folds massive solar panels, deploys space telescopes, and even plans to build future space habitats. All using origami are folding the future, literally. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see how origami could even help us build a space elevator. Spacecraft need to be compact enough to fit inside rockets, but they also need to expand once they reach space. That's where origami comes in. By using smart folding techniques, engineers can create massive structures that take up very little space during launch, but unfold effortlessly when needed. Let's start with one of NASA's biggest origami successes, the James Webb Space Telescope. This telescope's sun shield is as big as a tennis court, but it had to fit inside a rocket just 15 feet wide. Engineers used origami principles to fold it into a compact shape, and once it reached space, it unfurled perfectly to protect the telescope's sensitive instruments. No origami, no James Webb Telescope, right? Have you ever seen a piece of paper fold up like this? It's called the Miura fold, and NASA uses the same design for its solar panels. This technique lets giant solar panels fold into tiny spaces and expand with a single motion, maximizing energy capture in space. NASA is on a mission to find Earth-like planets, but bright starlight makes it nearly impossible. The solution? A giant origami flower called the star shade. This massive space shield blocks out starlight, making it easier to see distant planets. Without origami, this incredible mission wouldn't be possible. What if I told you NASA is even folding tiny robots for space? Let's check it out. NASA is creating origami-inspired robots that fold and unfold like little transformers. These tiny explorers can crawl through tight spaces on asteroids, Mars, and even inside spacecraft. They're lightweight, efficient, and perfect for exploring places where bulky rovers can't go. But what about protecting astronauts? That's where origami radiation shields come in. Let's go! Space is dangerous. Astronauts are constantly exposed to deadly cosmic radiation, but origami might save the day. NASA is testing origami radiation shields that can unfold to create protective barriers, keeping astronauts safe on long missions. Speaking of futuristic ideas, let's talk about the space elevator. Imagine riding an elevator all the way to space. NASA is exploring origami-inspired tethers that could make a space elevator lightweight and flexible, yet incredibly strong. If this works, space travel could become as easy as taking the subway. But did you know NASA's origami tech is already improving life on Earth? Let's wrap it up. Origami-inspired tech isn't just for space, it's coming back to Earth. From disaster relief shelters to foldable medical devices, origami is shaping the future of medicine, transportation, and even architecture. Who knew paper folding could change the world? NASA's origami innovations are taking us to new frontiers. Whether it's satellites, robots, or future Mars habitats, folding might just be the key to exploring the cosmos. What do you think NASA should fold next? Drop your wild ideas in the comments below. Subscribe, like, and follow for more amazing content.